I just booked my tickets for tonight. Ways things have enough time to do this tutorial. Well, barely enough time. Now, let's make this quick, let's make this easy. You will really love this. Let's start. Welcome back. Nice to see you again. Now, you're gonna have to behave, be nice because we're on a tight schedule here. Booking movie tickets online has never been easier. You could use your phone for the whole process. It's an e-ticket, so you don't have to print anything. You don't even require a credit card. And the best bit is, you do advanced booking. So what does this mean? This means that if you want to watch a movie that's out now, you could very well do so, book it online. It's quick and easy, you can do it in and out 60 seconds. But then there are other movies that you wait months and months for. The ones that you watch the trailer like 47 times before it comes out. You're gonna want to watch it right away, before the spoilers spoil you? Okay, so allow me to illustrate. It worked for the Avengers movie, that was a big one. It also worked for Black Panther, crazy good, saw it like 3 times. It also worked for the Star Wars movie that came out last December. So the whole process is easy, it's hassle-free, it's easygoing. I mean, if you had one eye and one hand, you could easily do it if you wanted to. So the next time your girl mentions the movie, you could be like, oh yeah? What movie was that again? Oh, and you like the cinema with a nice legroom, right? And on Wednesdays, you're still out early? Perfect, we're watching, booked it. Okay, so enough of the nonsense. Grab your phone, get some coffee, get a good seat. I'm pressed for time, I have a movie to catch. Your movie tickets might run out, so let's get started. The app that makes booking movie tickets online just crazy easy, sometimes even unfairly easy, is called Gmovies. Now, you know the drill. Go to the App Store, type in Gmovies, download and register. Before launching the app for the first time, blink as many times as you can because that loading animation you just love that loading animation. So this is the UI of the homepage. Let's divide it by thirds. So the top third is all the current promos, the carousel of all the ways you can start saving using the app. And then if you check the middle third, those are all the movies that are showing out right now. So click, select, book, and you're done. That's how simple it is. Then we got the bottom third, which I think brings in the most value because it spoils us with advanced booking. It's called Coming Soon. So what you want to do is look for your favorite movie, scroll through. In my case, I'm doing Venom October 4, and then hit the poster, hit buy tickets, select cinemas. In my case, I'm picking SM Aura because that's where they have Frankies. Okay, so select your date, select your time, and then hit next, select your seats. If you want to, you could zoom in so you can pick your proper gray seat. In my case, I'm sitting on the side because on average, per movie, I probably pee like 47 to 50 times. So side's where I'm at, it's more convenient. You're so sure about this because you watched it like 10 times. You probably send it to all your friends. You check reviews, 110% sure. Just hit continue and book, and we're 95% there. Okay, so be a responsible adult. Make sure you have your tickets before leaving home. To do this, go to your homepage and then hit your profile picture in the top left corner. In my case, it's a gorilla. And then hit your tickets, hit view, it's all there. They also sent you an email, it's also there. So when you get to the mall, just run straight to your cinema door, show your ticket, they'll probably get the reference number, they'll probably just note it down, and go straight through, enjoy your movie. Okay, so we just finished on time, I have to go, I have a movie to catch. If this works for you, let me know in the comments below what movie you end up watching. See ya!